In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Coinbase two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. If you use Coinbase to store cryptocurrency, adding an extra layer of security to your account is an important step. Two-factor authentication helps protect your account by requiring an additional verification method when signing in or making certain changes. Coinbase provides several security options, and I'll show you where to find them and how to set them up. To begin, open Coinbase and log into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon or account initial. After clicking there, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option to manage your account. This will open your account settings, where you can control different options related to your Coinbase profile. On the left side of the settings menu, you will see several sections. Click on Security to access your account protection options. Once you are inside the security section, look at the available options at the top and select two-step verification. After opening the two-step verification settings, you will see the different two-factor authentication methods available for your Coinbase account. These options allow you to choose the level of security that works best for you. One available option is using an Authenticator app, which generates secure verification codes. Another option is using a passkey for account protection. Coinbase also provides text message verification, but this method is generally considered less secure because phone numbers can sometimes be targeted through methods like SIM swapping. You may also see additional security options, such as using a physical security key or adding a trusted contact. Coinbase provides information about the security level of each option, helping you understand which methods offer stronger protection. For the highest level of security, physical security keys are considered one of the strongest options because they require a separate device for verification. However, an Authenticator app or passkey can also provide strong protection compared to text message verification. To enable your preferred method, simply click the Setup button next to the option you want to use and follow the instructions provided by Coinbase. The exact steps will depend on which two-factor authentication method you choose. Once completed, your Coinbase account will have an additional security layer to help protect your cryptocurrency and personal information. And that's how you set up two-factor authentication for your Coinbase account. Following these steps allows you to improve your account security directly from your Coinbase settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.